you.
Which door do you think will open on number 2?
This.
I think you're right.
I know it will.
I think so. He loves riding elevators. Alright. Oh, it's so quiet and smooth. It moves real slow, huh?
Yeah.
Can you even tell we're moving?
Yeah.
I can't tell. Okay, wait, now let her get off first. She's got to go. Then we'll go. Alright. Here we go.
I want to test the sensor.
Do you think it has a sensor?
Yes.
That'll be very interesting. Let's see. Oh, it has a sensor. It has some sort of laser eye. Look, watch. It's gonna close. Elevator B.
Can we ride it again?
One more time. One more time. Let's just see what it's all about. All right. People are getting on. Go push. Well, that's door open. Good job. How about pushing 1 though? That's the one. Let's see what happens.
The doors are slow.
Well, it's to be safe, all right? And then you think this one over here is going to open?
Yes, I
think it will.
think it probably.
Look, somebody scratched it. Oh,
Yeah, oh no.
we shouldn't have, huh?
Yeah, but the door is still moving.
It does still work.
Yeah.
It's durable.
Oh. Yeah.
There everybody goes.
Yeah.
Actually, should we get off here? Or do you want to go back up?
I want to go back up.
Okay, go push 2.
Press the button.
Yeah, there you go. Good job. One more time. The funny thing is we're going to probably walk downstairs to get down here again. Because this
Yeah, and then let's take this up again.
Are we ever going to get off?
When we're done, when we take this, the last time we're done.
We do. That sounds good.
This
There's
one,
number 2.
oh.
Okay. All right, you want to write it down? Let's write it down one more time. Number 1. Good job. What a huge elevator. Look at all this space. Look at all this space. Look at this. Where are we going? Okay.
Yay! I love this. Somebody scratched this.
Somebody scratched it all up.
Let's see which door opens. That's interesting that the buttons are here.
Here we
The
go.
voice is here. I like
Okay, test the sensor. Okay, let's watch it close. These big doors. Look at all these pieces to the doors.
it. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4 pieces at least. Elevator B.
I'm so excited.
Okay, but it's time to go. I think other people need to use it. Come on, let's go. Other people are using it for real. Come on, let's go.
How come it's not turning on?
Because it probably went back upstairs.